So AI is smart. There's no doubt about that. But it's not as smart as to allow you to make $5 grand a week with little to no effort, only working 20 minutes per day. That is a lie. That is a lie that we have been fed. There's actually a ton of manual work behind a faceless YouTube automation channel. And today we're breaking down the truth of making money online with YouTube automation and also the way that AI should ethically be used. Now let me know in the comments you're excited for today's topic. Comment YouTube AI and let's get to it. Now let's talk about the word automation behind all of this. In reality, this is not an automated process at all. And in fact, there is a ton of work, and I can guarantee and argue that having a personal brand and face channel, right? Like the one that you're watching right now with me doing a talking head video. These channels have way more potential to be automated than a faceless YouTube channel. Okay, and the first reason I want to emphasize that is because you need a really big team to operate a faceless YouTube channel. I mean, you need a video editor, you need a voice narrator, you need somebody to do the scripts, you need somebody to make sure the scripts are creative and engaging, you need somebody that knows YouTube in and out. You need also a graphic designer to do the thumbnails. You need a channel manager. And not only this, you, the person wanting to start a faceless YouTube channel, needs to manage this entire team, and that in itself takes hours per week to actually do and fulfill. And here's the thing, you can't cut costs for any one of these processes or team members because it'll show in your YouTube and the videos that you're producing, and your YouTube channel won't go anywhere. So yes, in theory, you can outsource all of these positions. You can go to Fiverr, get a narrator, you can go to any other freelance website and hire out, and there's also AI tools that do voice narration and come up with these. However, the big channels such as What If, the Science Channel, the channel that many of you may have seen called Moon, these channels have been in this game, the animated faceless video game, for years, right? There's tens of thousands of dollars behind the production of those channels. And what makes these channels successful and viral and continuing to boom and make a lot of money is that they have been in it for a very long time. And not only do they understand YouTube, but they also understand business. And as another YouTuber example of Johnny Harris, now Johnny's channel is not a faceless channel, however, it has a lot of faceless components because he shows automated maps and geographical locations and talks about current events and has a lot of amazing graphics. But Johnny went to school for this. He learned how to make customized maps and customized automations for years, and he got really good at it, and that is his signature trait with his video. And if he wanted to, he could definitely make a faceless channel because his graphics and animations are that good. But that is not AI operating his channel. That is a team. I think he has a team of 4 editors. I know that his wife helps him with the production and the scripting. Like, there's a whole team of 6 just for the YouTube channel, not including the other components of their businesses. Now, switching over to the topic of artificial intelligence, aka AI, there are so many ways nowadays that I believe using AI is very, very unethical. And we are going to touch on that later on in this video. But I did want to say there are amazing ways to leverage AI ethically, especially if that involves using AI tools that help you save time during the week, streamline your workflows, automate things in your processes that don't have to be done by a human. And if these AI tools help spark your creativity, this is definitely a go. And by the way, today's video is sponsored by Clip. Now, what is Clip? Now, Clip is an AI tool which allows you to take your long form YouTube videos and within minutes create high converting short clips so that you don't have to spend the hours and hours going through your long form videos, resizing them, identifying the parts, etc. Clip takes care of the heavy lifting for you and does it for you within minutes. Now, this is a great way for business YouTubers to get way more exposure, leveraging their already awesome long form videos on YouTube. This process on our team specifically has been manual for years, but now that we have Clip, we're able to grab 20 short form videos from just one long form video and piece of content. That's a lot that you can have on Instagram, on LinkedIn, and your other social media platforms. Now, if you're a super busy entrepreneur, Clip is definitely the answer for you. Now, just imagine a tool that can take a 10-minute long form video and spit out 7 to 8 bite-sized forms of mini content where you can get tens and thousands of more views within not only YouTube Shorts, but your other social media platforms as well. So the way it works, it's really easy. You just sign up for a free trial. You create your account really quick, type in a password, and then all you gotta do is go to your YouTube channel, grab a video, copy the link, paste it into the built-in editor. Then once you paste it and select your language, it's going to take a couple of minutes to find these clips. Then once it's done, you select your favorite clips. And what I love about this is you can modify the clip horizontally. And you could do the 1-to-1 ratio, the vertical ratio that works for Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and Facebook Reels. And it's super easy to edit the colors of the subtitles. They're automatically generated. It's an incredible tool. Now, just by clicking the first link in the description, you get 120 minutes for free to try out the tool. So just sign up using the link in the description for your 14-day free trial. And now there's tons of other tools out there that can help, just like Clip, streamline the process. There's tools that can help with SEO, automating your podcasting, removing video backgrounds from your video. Like, that is absolutely crazy. Like, it can take you and identify what's in the background and remove it. You can do this with a tool called Runway ML. And one of the other things that's really cool is you can also like edit out and crop out things in the video. So if I wanted to like edit out this computer and paint, it's called paint out, and take it away, you can paint over it and then it'll just show the white wall. Like, that's insane that you can do that now. And then also you can create custom AI images with this amazing tool called Leonardo.ai. So all of these tools I've been researching lately. And if you want me to make a dedicated video about AI tools for content creators, just let me know in the comments so I can make that video and get it posted. So later on in this video, by the way, I talk about the unethical dark side of AI. So keep on watching. And so the other big problem with faceless YouTube automation channels is that most people wanting to get rich with this type of business model don't have any experience with YouTube, or they don't have any experience with business. Now, these two things are a huge problem because first off, you're uploading videos, trying to navigate a platform that takes years, sometimes to figure out, definitely months, right? Between what converts on YouTube. Just because you are a big consumer of YouTube does not equal you are an expert at YouTube, okay? Unless you've done it yourself and you've gone through the motions and you've suffered the ups and downs of analytics, okay? Then you properly understand YouTube. I think the biggest problem in the industry with this is that course creators that are trying to sell people, how to start a faceless YouTube automation channel that'll make you X amount per day and blah, 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 is that they advertise that it is like a set it and forget it thing. And it is definitely not that. Like, it is, you start and you get overwhelmed because you don't have the right systems and processes and realize it takes way more upfront money and way more costs, and it will take you a lot more time to break even on your initial effort. And this is extremely discouraging because most people do not have the mindset to follow through with this, because YouTube, in the beginning, as we all know, it's slow. And now the other major red flag here is that there's no person, no face behind the channel. And that is really hard to build up an audience where you don't know exactly who the face is of the channel, okay? If you asked most people, non-YouTubers, like who their favorite YouTuber is, it is a person. Like, it is a YouTuber with a person behind the channel, right? It is your favorite sailing YouTube channel. It's your favorite travel and destination channel. It's your favorite, whatever type of channel. It's typically not a faceless automation channel. And as I mentioned, I've come across some really cool faceless channels. I personally did not subscribe because I'm like, okay, well, it was fun while it lasted. That was a really informative video, but really, when I spend my time on YouTube, I'm watching real human people. So my advice, if you are wanting to start a faceless YouTube channel, develop a character, develop a person that is animated where people can connect. And the perfect example I can say is Jules TV. So I have a baby boy, and Jules TV is an awesome example of how to do faceless animation the right way, because this family has 4 young boys, and they remix children's songs, right, into hip hop, trap style, and it's so awesome. Like, I could sit there and watch it all day, right? But there's a meaning, there's a story, there's a personalized touch behind Jules TV that people can relate to, which will keep families and also the kids coming back to that channel. Now, here's where we talk about the very dark side of AI and the tools out there that can spit out, that unethically create content leveraging real human people's content like myself. Okay, and here, let me give the perfect example. One day I was at a business networking event. It was like a huge virtual coffee thing with other business owners, and I got on in a breakout room with somebody who was like, hey, well, what do you do? And then I told him, and I was like, well, what do you do? And he's like, well, I actually have an AI tool where what it does is it takes YouTubers' videos like yourselves, and with the click of a button, it remakes the video within seconds. And I was just like, what? Like, how could you say that to my face? Like, where's the copyright ethics in this? Like, where is the intellectual property? Like, where is the ethics in what this person is doing, right? To me, it's totally illegal. How does this tool legally address copywriting? How does it legally address intellectual property? Like, I spend hours scripting these videos, making it my own style, my own voice, and it's really unfair to have that this guy, and I won't name any names, but I'll leave, in case you want to take a screenshot, I'll leave the name of this product on here, right? So you don't waste your money and invest $400 into a tool that is completely unethical. This person is teaching people to be lazy, to not come up with their own content from their brain, right? He's literally saying you can be any type of expert you want. All you got to do is pick a topic in your niche, leverage this tool, and steal other people's blogs and YouTube videos and remix it into your own and create your own native content for your website, your channel, whatever. It's really pitiful, if you ask me, and it made me so upset. I was just like, how could you say this to my face, right? This is like what I do for a living. So my request to you is, when you see these tools of that unethical nature, just don't use them. It's encouraging really bad and, in my opinion, illegal practices in the creator economy, and it shouldn't be allowed. Thanks so much for sticking with me to this part of the video. If you liked it, I'm positive you're going to like this video coming up next, all about why I left and I exited the make money online niche on this channel. Check it out, it's right here, and I will see you on that video. If you would have seen this channel exactly a year ago, you would have known that it was super extra heavy on make money online content, passive income,